Apple is a universal name at this point, as it sells as many phones as it can make. Last year alone, the Cupertino-based company sold almost 200 million units globally. There's no question that, despite so much criticism, Apple is doing a few things right with its iPhones that are updated year after year. Even though it has one big competitor in the market right now, which is Samsung, it seems a new name will be hitting the list, and the name of the company is Tesla. Yes, it is more than just a rumor now that the trillion-dollar EV manufacturing company will be stepping into the smartphone industry with their new model named the Pi phone. So, what will the Pi phone be like when compared to the new iPhone 13? Let's take a look at that all today. Just when you think you've seen enough in technology and every other thing is simply modifications, you wake up only to see that one of the luxury smartphone brands, Apple, is being challenged by a company that no one ever thought of. This latest competition is backed by the richest power in the world, which has infinite resources to launch its new product. Backed by Elon Musk, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone has everything it takes to be a massive hit. Some months back, in September to be precise, Apple introduced its iPhone 13 series, which included the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This came with a buzz, as usual, considering Apple's customer base and the modifications introduced to the new series. No doubt it was much awaited, and they blew up in sales, which is not even news because you know it's Apple. But it seems like the smartphone industry was quite shocked with the Tesla Pi phone. So much so that the iPhone 13 news got a bit pale in comparison. Man, that's the power of Elon Musk's trillion-dollar worth company. Just rumors are enough to leave the industry-leading company behind. In case anyone is wondering if the Pi phone will be successful, remember, millions of Musk enthusiasts surely prefer to use a phone designed by Musk to complement their other Tesla items. So, why is the Tesla Pi phone being so hyped even if it isn't officially launched yet? Does it have the technological advancements to top the rock-solid fan base of Apple's iPhone? Well, when it comes to technology, Elon Musk certainly knows a thing or two about revolutionizing an industry, and his companies Tesla and SpaceX can be more than enough proof of that statement. Musk breaks records in all of his creations. Tesla sells most of the electric vehicles today, while SpaceX launches satellites into orbit at an exceptional speed. So, here are some comparison points to show you the differences between the proposed Pi phone and iPhone 13. Camera settings. The camera settings on both phones are remarkably similar. However, the latest and most powerful iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, has 3 lenses on the back, but it has been revealed that the Tesla Model Pi phone will feature 4. The camera lens module of the Tesla Pi phone will be different from traditional mobile phones, being located in the middle of the fuselage near the top. The iPhone 13 is equipped with 3 camera lenses and a LiDAR radar aurora scanning sensor. The iPhone takes great photographs, including wide-angle photos, but the Pi will be able to do even more. For example, you could shoot phone shots directly into the sky at night and take high-resolution photos without the need for long exposure. This is a detail that Apple still has not 100% perfected. Many are suggesting that the cameras of the Pi phone will be so powerful they'll even be able to capture images of the Milky Way. Screen. At this stage, the iPhone is popular for its notched screen. In fact, Apple made the design famous. The notch houses the front camera and other sensors. However, while other phone makers have tried different designs like an in-display camera, Apple has only reduced the size of the border. Even though this system is not that preferred by customers, as it takes up valuable screen space, and also many say it ruins the aesthetic, as an iPhone user, you just have to get used to it, because as an Apple customer, it is you who will have to make the compromise. I'm terribly sorry, my good fellow. On the other hand, Elon Musk knows what people actually want from a smartphone, and is going to make the screen of Pi's phone accordingly. The Tesla Model Pi will have no bezels, which makes the screen continuous and pleasing to the eye. The catch is that Tesla will put the camera under the screen and out of the way until you need it. Another thing the Pi model has under the display that the iPhone still lacks is the fingerprint scanner, a technology that other companies already use, but that the iPhone has not decided to implement. With the fingerprint scanner, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone by placing your finger on one part of the screen, which is a very convenient method indeed. The back. On the back, the iPhone has classic Mac glass. Glass that is famous for cracking with even the slightest drop or accident, so it is always necessary to put a new protector on as soon as you unpack it. It has a prominent Apple logo on the back as well. The Tesla Model Pi will also have a prominent logo on the back, just like the iPhone. It is also rumoured to have a special coating on the body that allows it to change colour. The colour of the body might be affected by environmental factors. This is due to the photochromatic coating on the phone, something that would give your mobile phone an incredible touch and that you will never quite get bored with. Processor. Apple continues to improve its iPhone processors each year, although the improvements have not quite been earth-shattering for the past few years. The latest iPhone has the A15 Bionic chip, with one more GPU in the flagship model. This has given way to a lot of talk, and that many Apple customers have said they have felt improvement when compared to previous models. On the other hand, Tesla has not quite released details about its processor. What we do know is that the Pi model will be extremely powerful, since it will be able to be used as a cryptocurrency miner. And as for the Pi phone, it has to possess a greater processing power, because its use won't be limited to Earthlings alone. That's right, Elon Musk has one great goal of colonizing Mars, so the Pi phone could be the first official phone of the Martians. Who knows? Now, cryptocurrencies will not be the only reason why the Pi phone will need a powerful processor, since it will also use technologies like the brain-computer interface from another project of Elon Musk's, Neuralink. Satellite connectivity. This is the exact part in which the Pi phone is zooming ahead of the iPhone 13. The Pi phone will be able to connect to Tesla's Starlink satellite service for a high-speed internet connection. You probably have heard about Starlink, one of Elon Musk's latest business endeavors, and it is spreading like wildfire. With Starlink, internet connectivity can be offered in any corner of the world. The Pi phone will also come with full integration to Tesla vehicles, and among others that are yet to come. In the case of the iPhone, one of the rumours of the iPhone 13 before its launch was that it would come with satellite connectivity, but this simply didn't happen. The iPhone has a Tesla app that many Tesla car owners use to control their vehicles remotely. However, since the iPhone operating system is not under Tesla's control, the app continues to restrict many functions. Charging and battery. The iPhone charges through a port or wirelessly. Without a doubt, it is the mobile phone with the most complaints about how slow it charges and how long the battery lasts compared to other phones. In the Pi model, wireless charging has not yet been fully confirmed, although it would be rare if they did not implement it. People who are Tesla fans would be aware that one of the landmarks that Elon Musk had created is in fact in the sector of solar panels. So what is certain is that it will include integrated solar panels so that you can charge with solar energy, in case you don't have a plug at hand. Production. Apple famously does not manufacture its phones. The company only designs and tests them in the US and contracts out the actual production. It has partners worldwide that make the components, including camera lenses, chips, screens, and so forth. Even its biggest competitor, Samsung, has made batteries for Apple. The accelerometer is manufactured by Germany-based Bosch Sensotech, whereas the gyroscope is manufactured by Steam Microelectrics based in Switzerland. Even for assembling, Apple shares the assignment with two companies, Foxconn and Pegatron, with factories in many countries. But for Tesla, the company is known for its massive production houses, which are known as gigafactories. So if Tesla wants to continue this tradition of assembling its own products, it could build its own assembly plants. The Tesla phone is causing quite some uproar in the smartphone industry, and it seems that it might provide some hard competition towards the iPhone 13 and future models as well. Well, let's wait for the official announcement for this highly anticipated phone from Tesla. So that's all folks, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in another video. Ta-ra!